What exactly is cryptocurrency? At its core, cryptocurrency is digital value built for the internet. Unlike physical coins or paper bills, it exists only online, stored securely on a network called the blockchain. Some cryptocurrencies work just like money. You can send them instantly to anyone, anywhere in the world. No banks, no business hours, no borders. But crypto goes far beyond payments. Many are designed to power new types of technology. They can fuel apps, run online services, and even shape entire online communities. With some tokens, you can vote on decisions in a project. With others, you can unlock digital games, earn rewards, or even access financial tools that don't require a traditional bank. In short, cryptocurrency isn't just internet money. It's a whole new way to create, exchange, and use value online, spanning everything from fast payments to building digital economies.